Hey everyone, decided to make a little video while I'm driving. I kind of like to kill time and just go over a few my past videos. Been on a small little business trip, 5-hour drive about to Connecticut, and I'm on my way back. About an hour from home. It's been a long, I guess, couple of days. I just wanted to do a little, I guess, follow-up on one of my past videos. It was a video a few months ago. It was about some PCs I got from a friend. I think there were about 10 of them, and there was at least 6 that were like fantastic for parts on eBay. They were pretty much fully working without hard drives, and I had guesstimated I was going to make about 600, possibly including the 3 PCs I kept that I was going to rebuild because they were I wouldn't say recent, but they had pretty good hardware. There were i3 and i5 CPUs in there. So they're recent, but not super recent. $600 figure, I'm pretty much almost there, but without even selling or rebuilding those 3 PCs. Just on the parts on some of those PCs I tore down have netted me about 300, and I still have 2 motherboard, CPU, and memory, I guess, kits if you'd like, or lots or ensembles or something like that. I'm not sure what you'd call them. Selling them all together, and I should get about another 100 out of those. I also have 2 power supplies that I have for sale, but I haven't gotten much action on those. So I think just the parts are gonna leave me about 400, since all the parts I've sold until now are 3, and I'll have about another 100 left in parts. And then I'm still gonna have those 3 PCs that I held on to that I'm gonna rebuild. So that should bring me at least another 300 or 400. So not bad for picking up some scrap someone's gonna throw away in the garbage. Unlike most scrappers, I don't go around picking up scrap. I just don't have time to do that stuff. Most of the scrap I get is, I guess, byproduct of what I do, since I do a lot of electronics. So I get left over with a lot of scrap up until maybe, I would say, 3 years ago. I was just throwing all of this in the trash. And then one day I just thought to myself, looking at a broken motherboard, there must be some value to this motherboard. Someone must want it somewhere. You know, it might not work, but you know, it's a motherboard. There's some value to it. Sorry for the steering wheel here and everything. It's the best I can do. So yeah, my story is pretty much, I looked online after maybe 4 years of throwing stuff in the garbage, you know. I decided, let me look up some stuff, and then I fell on some e-waste sites and Board Sort and some other YouTubers doing videos on scrapping and everything. So it worked out great, because now all the byproduct I have from leftover laptops, computers, video game consoles, routers, phones, and all sorts of other stuff, I'm recycling them. And I should be almost ready to go to the scrapyard very shortly. I have about 8 or 9 20 by 20 by 24 boxes full of aluminum. Actually, it's a mix of copper aluminum stuff that I need to bring. And each box is anywhere between 50 to 80 pounds. So there's going to be quite a bit of money in aluminum. I have a bunch of, not a bunch of, about 2 boxes worth of cables and ribbons. That's just going to the scrap. Unfortunately, I don't keep steel anymore. It takes way too much space, and I can't keep that stuff outside. So I'm kind of in a residential area. I'd probably get my butt kicked by the city if I left tons of steel on the outside. So I just put that on the curb on trash day, and scrappers pick up all my steel. Maybe eventually I'll either move or maybe build some kind of little garage or something where I could hoard steel also. It's not a lot of money, but it's something. But at least it's being recycled. I kind of keep the steel with the steel, and put it on the curb, and within minutes on garbage day it's picked up. So at least it's going to someone, and someone else is making money with it. So yeah, sorry, I kind of went off track there. So I'm going to the scrapyard soon, so I might do a mini video on that. And then I have been hoarding some stuff for board sort. Pretty much collecting stuff on a pallet skid. I'm gonna send it via truck to them. I think I'm gonna have maybe 7 boxes of peripheral boards I'm gonna send to them. Each one about 40 to 70 pounds. So at $1.40 from board sort, comes out to quite a bit. And have a bunch of computer power supplies, some DVD drives, Blu-ray drives that are all broken and garbage and not sellable, some IC chips, some gold tip boards and everything. So there should be a good chunk coming from board sort too. Things that be, I think I sent about 1,000 pounds worth of stuff there. And I'm lucky because of my my location. It shouldn't cost that much to ship all of that to board sort. So I should be left with quite a bit of money. So I'm not sure if that's going to be my next video, but it'll definitely be one of my future videos. The next one might be a video on DVD drives, or I forgot, I had taken something apart recently. I made a video on it. It seems to kind of left my mind. Completely forgot what it's about. So it's either going to be that, the video on DVD drives, or if I don't get to it, it's going to be the trip to the scrapyard, sending the stuff to board sort, and see how much all of that's going to bring in. So like, subscribe, comment. I try to answer everything as quickly as I can. So good luck scrapping. Hopefully you guys make money, and we'll talk soon.